Turn on the induction power. Set the induction heat to medium. Place the pot on the induction. Throw the chocolate bar onto the cutting board as hard as you can to break it. Place the broken chocolate in the yellow bowl. Add the chocolate from the yellow bowl to the saucepan. Add the sugar from the white bowl to the saucepan. Using a ladle, combine the chocolate and milk in the saucepan and mix well. Power off the induction by pressing the induction power button. Ladle the well-mixed hot chocolate into the cups. Top the hot chocolate with a marshmallow. Creating hot chocolate has ended.